Greetings, students and families. Eilif here again to bring you some more fun. I have been inspired to share a quick poem with you called The Sounds of Nature. Listen to the sounds of nature. The sound of the great horned owl hooting in the night. Listen to the scrub jay as it affectionately calls its mate.
How you doing?
No. Listen to the coyote as it silently stalks its prey.
Freeze, sucker!
Seriously? Listen to the naturalist as they confidently lead their student over hill and dale.
All right, who stepped in the scat?
I don't know who you are, but you are ruining a perfectly good poem. Listen to the teachers as they enjoy a hike in beautiful Montana d'Oro.
Is there a Starbucks on this mountain?
Vanilla latte, please. Listen to the sound of the counselors as they tuck their little ones in the lights out.
Go to sleep, you little monsters.
Listen to the sound of the students as they drift off into peaceful slumber.